Welcome back to the News Hour. The second debate tonight, the rush for safe seats. They're all playing it safe this election. For all the bravado and all the loud claims, some politicians are looking for seats that are safe and will ensure them a place in the Lok Sabha. And they're doing that rather than accept a tough challenge.
Yes, and while the Congress is openly hurling that charge at the BJP leaders, the party too has seen heavy lobbying for safe seats. The question is, can any side point fingers when each one's leaders have chosen to settle for a safe borough?
Despite all their pre-election rhetoric, some top leaders across parties are having second thoughts about their best bets. Barely had the BJP announced Narendra Modi's candidature from Varanasi, but soon talk began of Modi seeking a second safe seat from Gujarat.
Looking for a second safe seat.
The BJP chief Rajnath Singh too finding a safe seat prompted a sarcastic comment from the Congress.
शीर्ष नेता अपने चुनाव क्षेत्र को छोड़कर भाग रहे हैं। पार्टी के अध्यक्ष लखनऊ भाग गए गाजियाबाद छोड़कर, और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दूसरा सुरक्षित स्थान चाहिए क्योंकि वाराणसी से पूरे वो आश्वस्त नहीं है कि क्या निर्णय होगा।
पार्टी ने फैसला किया है।
But not just Modi. Even Mulayam Singh is going to be contesting from 2 seats. Apart from Mainpuri, the SP chief moving into eastern UP to check Modi's advance. But BJP seemingly not worried by Mulayam's move to Azamgarh.
तो चुनाव के मैदान में हम मुद्दों के आधार पर, नीतियों के आधार पर, सिद्धांतों के आधार पर, उपलब्धियों के आधार पर हम बात करेंगे, और उसका जवाब वो कौन कहां से लड़ता है ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। ये मुद्दे क्या होंगे ये इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Yet contesting from multiple seats is nothing new. From Indira Gandhi in 1980 to Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1991 and 1996 to Sonia Gandhi in 1999, top leaders have often contested from more than one seat. But in Battleground 2014, the Congress has been facing its own set of problems, with some top leaders opting out and some desperately pushing for new or safer seats, but ultimately falling in line. And one Congress leader getting the pitch he wanted at Tonk Sawai Madhopur.
As far as Moradabad is concerned, I have done a lot of work. I mean, it is a party's decision. I don't believe in flat wickets. I believe in working hard for the party.
With parties finalising their candidates, the rush to play to their strengths is driving several politicians to new seats. Can those questioning Modi really point fingers when every party leader is playing it safe this election? Bureau Report, Times Now.